Hi everyone, this is Sandy Creating the Heart, and I'm back with another haul. It's kind of a random haul from a bunch of different places, so I'm going to go right into it. The first thing was I was really interested in getting this gift wrap book, which I didn't even know existed, but I had seen that someone had hauled it, so I went looking for it. And I also didn't want to pay a ton in shipping, so I found it's one place called Tupelo Designs, and it's free shipping. So, and it doesn't have a minimum, at least at this time, like no minimum. So I went ahead and ordered it through them. So I just ordered a couple of things. One was the gift wrap book. I guess I can, if I want to undo this or not. Is it open? I don't know. There's a perforated place, but I'm just going to kind of open it from the top here. So it's a gift wrap book, and it comes with, it's definitely a gift wrap paper, so it'd make really good chip bags, I think. So you get all of this paper from the Willow Lane collection from Maggie Holmes. And then, let's see, I think you get two pretty good size sheets of each. And then in the back are these really cool tags. Really love this swan and this unicorn, these circle tags, which obviously could also be used on a project. They don't have to be used for the gift wrapping. So I did get that, which I didn't even know existed. And then they had wraps in this really cute bag. The other thing that I had ordered, which was just the Willow Lane decorative trim in the stars. So I wanted to get that. And then here's my little, they sent a free little gift. So it's just some little buttons, wood buttons. And the website is tupelodesignsllc.com. So I got that, and I'm kind of excited about it. And then let's move on. Just so we can get injured. I've got a lot of stuff down here. I ordered from Lawn Fawn, and they screwed up my order. So I've got a email to them because it was supposed to be a birthday order where I was supposed to get their birthday stamp and die, which is the cutest little panda, and it comes with a little die. But it was missing out of my order. You also get a happy birthday stamp, which I got, but I didn't get my panda stamp and die. So I did email them because you got it with any order. So I went ahead and ordered the reveal wheel pick of the patch and the add-on for that, because I thought that'd be really cute to work on some projects, but missing the main thing that I wanted, which was the little gift that you get. They also gave me some papers, which were very cute and appreciated because they are adorable, and I will use them as well. But I really wanted that stamp set, so I do have a call into them. Okay, so then I ordered from CC Designs, and they had a special, one-day special. It's the owner's, I think it was the owner's 45th birthday. I can't remember exactly, 42? Anyway, 40. So it was whatever her age is. I don't know if I have the paperwork in here, but whatever her age is off. So I ordered this die set, which is really cute, Castle die. And then I ordered this stamp and die. This one is called Summer Fun. It's very, very cute. And the die. I ordered this one, which I really have been wanting for a while, and they were out of the dies, so I'm kind of bummed about that, but I guess I'll get the dies later. And this one's called Under the Sea. So I really love that one. And then this really cute little gnome stamp. It's called Nomi. And then the little die. And I think the stamp set's only like $4 or something. It's very inexpensive die set. So that was a really good deal. And then I went over to Joann's, and I was really hoping to find the Halloween papers, but they were all out. I didn't see them, so I was kind of late to the party from Miss Sparkle and Company. So I did buy this one, and these were I believe $1.99, and they are one-sided, and this is fall paper, and they've got some cute foxes, and it's really cute. Something a little bit different. You get 15 sheets of 6x6 paper. I also got this stamp set, which is like a spider web background stamp set, and it was $1.99, so I liked that one. And then let's see, also from that line, I got this paper, which is a 5x7 paper pad. I just liked the bright colors, go really well with all the unicorn stuff I have. $1.99. And let's see, a couple other things I got. I also got some stuff from the Park Lane line. Maybe one thing from the Park Lane line. The gold brads. I think everything's $1.99 of this Sparkle and Company. And then I did like these journal packs because it's kind of nice. Even though I can make my own inserts, it's kind of nice to have some different inserts. And these ones are really, really cute. I can design a traveler's notebook or something to go along with that, or something else. I liked these foil stickers. You get 3 sheets of 300 stickers, which I think is a good bargain. These would really look good on tabs too, so that's really cute. They had these gold journaling alpha stickers, $1.99. I did find the wood shapes in the little fall animals. And then I bought a bunch of sacks. These are this one's a glassine bag. These are, there's 8 in each. So it's a glassine bag. There are paper sacks, and then these paper sacks, because they would be really great for my daughter's dance team. Put little treats before competition. So I did get this baker's twine from Park Lane. All of Park Lane was 50% off, so I did get this. I think this was $5.99, but it was 50% off, and then I had a 20% off entire purchase coupon. So whatever I got here was also an additional 20% off. So I did buy this twine. They had other twine there. I have a lot of red and white twine, but I really loved this because it had that silver in it. That was really pretty. So I got that. And then I got this Park Lane rose embossing folder. I don't really buy a lot of embossing folders from the store anymore, but I really liked this one. I thought it would go really well with all the Maggie Home stuff I've gotten. So that was 50% off, as well as an additional 20. Got my receipts right here. I think my entire amount with tax was $30.12. So I got an additional $6.27 off with that 20% off coupon, and I got 40% off one item, and the one item I got 40% off on was a Maggie Holmes that I don't have, which is called Gather. And I really like this one. I didn't realize that it had little ballerinas. So I thought that was really cute. Little ballerinas. Swan, and so just something different that I don't have. So I did get that. And then I was really looking for die cuts with a view Halloween paper. I saw a paper pad that someone had hauled that I really liked, that I would be very interested in getting, but I did not see any die cuts with a view at Joann's, and I didn't see any die cuts with a view at Michael's, because I went to Michael's and they had a couple things that I thought was pretty good. I hope I have all of it here. I may not have all of it with me. Hold on one second. I don't see all of my Michael's stuff with me right here. I don't know where it went. So I did buy, they had, for 60% off, they had all of Finnabar. Finnabar stuff was 60% off, plus I used my 20% off coupon for Finnabar. I don't know where it went. So I did buy that. Let's see, what did I buy? Here's my Michael stuff. Didn't buy a lot of things. So I did buy, yeah, I did buy the 2 paints. They were $15.99 each normally. and they then were $5.12 because I got 60% off, plus I used a 20% off coupon, and there are 3-pack of the Sparks paints. They must have been left on my table. But the other thing that I got that I wanted to show you was they had all the hot buy paper for buy one, get two free. So pretty good deal. So I did buy just the pumpkin, all the hot buy paper was buy one, get two free. So I did buy the pumpkin spice. Don't have a lot of these warm colors, so I thought it'd be nice to pick up. This paper tends to cut really well in my Cricut, the thinner paper. If it's thick like Stampin' Up, it's rough for me. So I did buy that, and then I also got the actual pumpkin spice paper pad, which is really, really cute. I really like it. It's a fall paper, but it's got these foxes. It's got some gold foiling. It's by Recollections, all this stuff. And it's got some wood grain. It's very masculine, but I do really like it, and it goes really well with that other plain paper. And the other thing that I got, I ended up getting, and I dug through to find something else to get, was this Tropic Vacation. I know we're ending. Summer crafting is kind of coming to an end, but this particular paper pad, I really do like. It has gold foiling. It's got these pineapples and the flamingos, and so I think it's really, really cute. If worse comes to worse, I can bring it to work and use it for a craft project that I do at the end of the year with the reading class. We make our own, the students write stories, and then I bind it with Bind It All, and they make their own covers, and we make a little book out of them. And so, these papers, whatever papers I don't use, I just bring to work and I use for that project. So that's my haul. I am a little disappointed that I didn't get my my panda, but hopefully that'll be on its way. And I'm actually going to start doing some crafting today because I've got a big project I got to get done. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Crank the Heart.